see that? Widebody. Widebody. And we do them here.
Neighbors say I'm getting too much paper. I got face rolling, niggas say I'm having drugs. Nigga watching, I'ma pay, watch them get it. We don't play around, we drop down and he get killed. Yeah, 7 pounds, that is it. We don't play around, we drop down and he get killed. And yeah, I'm getting cash, 7 pounds, that is it.
What's up, you guys, man? It's your boy Rell to Rell, man, back in here with another video. Hey man, say man, hey man. It's your boy, man, Rell to Rell. Y'all already know what it is. So right now I'm gonna be headed over here to check on my car and see how everything is coming. I got a lot of more work that gotta be done, so I'm trying to get it done as soon as possible. But this time I'm not trying to rush the process because I want it done right the first time, period. I'm not trying to rush it, you know. I got somebody on it that's very, very experienced up here in the Dallas area on it. And so if y'all need any work like that, man, come by the shop. We got y'all, man. Cause he doing work for us now, trying to come with it. We trying to come with it. I told y'all ain't too many games to be played. I'm trying my best, y'all. I'm trying my best to give y'all some great and crazy content and trying to get these cars done at a timely manner. But you know, like I always say, you can have the most money in the world. That don't mean it ain't gonna take time to get your car done right, you know? This type stuff takes time. It's art. It takes time. It ain't like you can snap your fingers or wiggle your nose, bewitching and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So you gotta be patient and you gotta wait for good work, good quality work at that. But like I say, I gotta be in Chicago, Chi-Town Show and Go. I'm gonna be down there from the 20th to the 23rd, I think. And yeah, 20th, 23rd, yeah, to the 23rd. I'll probably leave out there Sunday or whatever. But like I say, you know, I got a lot of stuff going on, a lot more grinding I gotta do. And another thing, you guys, for the guys that don't know, man, every 1,000 subscribers I will be doing a giveaway on my channel. So every time I hit 1,000, we at probably 61 right now, or 62, we at one of them. And I'm doing a giveaway every 1,000 subscribers. I don't care if it take me one day to get there, I'm gonna give away some the next day. That's just how I'm doing it. That's how I'm grinding. That's how I just want to give back to you guys, man, that been showing me support throughout this whole journey. I just want to show my support back. So we're gonna keep doing these giveaways, man. They ain't gonna never stop. Know what I'm saying? I'm on that 100K grind, but we grinding to 70K right now. I told you, I'm patient with mine, and I've been patient this whole time, man, throughout YouTube, man. So, you know, I appreciate y'all, man. That let you guys know, never give up. Never give up on your dream and your passion, because you never know. I told people it only takes one video to blow people up, and that's just what it is. It's always been like that. But so y'all keep grinding, keep shining. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Okay, y'all, so change of plans, man. We didn't actually go check up on the car, but I might go check on it sometime this evening. Well, it is evening time. I don't know why I say that, y'all. Sometime later, I don't know. We'll see, man. We're gonna keep letting the video go. But right now, man, we got a special car up in here. It came in, and we're actually doing a wide body kit on it. We got another one that's over here. They're gonna be getting the wide body. Well, we got two other ones. We've been doing crazy wide body kits and stuff like that. So I'm finna show y'all this thing right here. Yes, sir. This thing was a regular car at first. It was a regular car at first. Now this thing is a wide body. Y'all see that? Wide body. Wide body. And we do them here. So if you guys need any wide bodies or anything like that done, make sure y'all hit us up. Know what I'm saying? Get in contact with me. Whatever. Or if you serious, only get in touch with me if you serious. If you're not, don't call me, don't text me, don't hit me on Instagram, none of that type stuff, man, because I work hard and I don't have time to just sit there and just talk, and you know you're not getting nothing done. So why you over here laughing? Hey, shoot you over here. Hey, I have to let it be known, man. Only if you're serious, y'all hit us up, man, for these wide bodies. So we getting them out as quick as they coming in. You know what I'm saying? Look at this thing. Look at that thing from the back. Come on, man. You tell me. Do it look good or do it look good? Do it look good or do it look good? I say it looks damn good. I like this green though. And you know the crazy thing? You know, bro, you know how crazy this is? Because even in the red eyes, they didn't make a lot in this green.
I thought it was custom.
A wide body.
I thought it was custom.
You thought it was custom?
I was looking at it, I'm like,
And y'all excuse the mess, we remodeling and everything like that. I know y'all don't get to see the shop too often like that anymore. But I had a little free time, so I used it wisely. But come on, man. Come on, man. Look at that. Look at that. Factory. Factory, man. Yes, sir. He got the wheels and stuff right here. Make sure y'all hit us up. Know what I'm saying? If y'all need some wheels and tires too. You said what?
and it ain't no rough in the Hellcat.
Nah, it ain't no replica, man. He's real 707. 707. Know what I'm saying? Mr. Organic Boys, man. But I'm gonna show y'all the start to finish on the other one that's out there. But this fan is gonna tear me up. But I do got a partner here from out of town. Yep, I'm finna put you on there too. Say what's up to it.
Hi everyone!
Already. And we got my partner. Yes, sir. What's her name? Gonna give him everything. And where you came from?
Came from Phoenix, Arizona, get the shit done right.
Exactly, man. Come to get them wide bodies. And when I was just showing them one, you didn't see that one that's back there?
That's it.
Oh, man. I'm gonna crack the door, man. We can't show you because we don't want you to just know exactly what you get. Let me see if I can crack the door on them. Gotta come over, you see? You can't get too much now. What you thought this was?
She want to show you her little, you know.
Oh, now. I see you. Got that maroon.
She wants the wide body on that.
I'm doing a wide body on mine, so hey, come see us. You can get it.
The next day.
Okay, you guys, man, it's another day. I'm headed right now to drop off. That's what you guys see back there. Yes, sir. Headed to drop off these seat belts, and so I can get them changed out, get the color changing on them. All 3 of the back ones. That means all 5 of my seat belts will be changed. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, I'm just trying to take it to the next level, man. I ain't trying to shortcut nothing. And I'm just trying to get everything done with and everything over. So I'm about to head up to Midnight Custom Cars, go give them. Then I pick them back up sometime later or maybe tomorrow or something like that. Who knows, man? But yeah, that's what I'm about to do right now. And then I'm gonna head off to work, 1230 North Belline Road. Audio zone is early. It's like 9:20 something in the morning. I'm gonna get y'all in a minute, man. Once I get to where I'm getting to, and then I'll cut back on the camera when I can. Peace. Okay, you guys, man, so like I was saying, okay, I know I said yesterday in yesterday's video that I'm going 26. And the reason why, I know a lot of people been asking me out there, don't you gotta cut stuff like that? You don't have to cut for 26s on these cars. These cars are big enough, the wheel wells are big enough. I didn't cut nothing for my foes, I just put them right on. No problem, no scrub, no rub. So the 26s, the only thing I'm doing is lifting it like this big, you guys, like that much. And the only reason I'm doing that because it's a nut that be on the inside where the tire's at. It's that stud that's on the spindle. And what you have to do, you have to stretch it out, you have to extend it. So the new tire can miss it when it's rubbing. I mean, when it's rotating. So that's the only thing, and it's still gonna look factory. Like I got a couple pictures of my homeboy car, and I'm gonna pop it up right here. And so what it is, as you can see on his car, no rubbing, no scrub, lifted just a little bit, and it's still the same. It's not nothing crazy, nothing like that. He's sitting right on them, and it still look like a factory Hellcat. So people out there can't say that 26s are too big or 24s are too big, because they not. You're not doing nothing. You're only just putting a bigger wheel on it. That's all you're doing. The power's still gonna be there. That's why my car isn't a regular 707 Hellcat. So I have the power for my car. So I don't have to worry about all that losing power stuff or nothing like that, because I know what my dyno numbers are with my wheels on. So without my wheels, my dyno numbers would be even crazier. As you guys know, the rotational turn give you more horsepower at the end of the day on the dyno. But when you're not on the, when you got big wheels on your car, it's shorting your horsepower on the dyno. So that lets you guys know, even what I'm saying, I'm exceeding the limit of my horsepower number. And by me going 26, I'm still gonna be over the amount of horsepower. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not really losing nothing because I already got 24s, and 26s is not a big difference. So that's the reason why I am doing 26s. And I'm gonna keep doing what I wanna do, man, because it's my vehicle. And y'all know, y'all just gotta respect that and honor that. It's mine. But what y'all see, we got here before I end off the video. Supporter, she's getting her headlights done. As y'all see, she got the purple done under the hood and stuff. Got the 22s on there. Yes, sir, a woman is on 22s, replicas, man. Y'all see this junk right here? This one right here is about to get done. Yes, sir, he about to go wide body on that thing. I told y'all we knocking these wide bodies out quicker than quick. This jump about to go wide body. That one already done getting wide body. Yes, sir, y'all see it. So y'all be waiting on that. I'm gonna do a full video on this one. Make sure y'all see it right now, because it ain't gonna look like that once it's done. Yes, sir. But I appreciate y'all, man. I'm checking out with another video. Y'all already know what time it is. Your boy Rell to Real. Hey man, say man, hey man, it's your boy man, Rell to Real, man. If that like button, that subscribe button, that share button, go ahead, bust it down, man. I'm out of here like last year. Peace.
Neighbors say I'm getting too much paper. I got banks rolling, niggas say I'm having drip. Nigga watching on my page, watch them get it. We don't play around, we drop down and he get killed.